Hey everybody! All right, so I still have my whiteboard. I still have my marker. However, this sort of problem is meant to be talked about. This might seem to be easy, but I want to know how many dots you see. And you'd be surprised when you sit down next to your big brother or your grandmother and you talk about it, you might get some different answers. How many dots do you see? Well, I talked to a few kids, and I heard someone describe that they see 5 dots over here. They see 5 dots over here. And those two fives fit together like a puzzle to make a 10. So they talked about how they might see 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's one person I talked to. When I talked to someone else, they talked about that they see 4 and 1, and they see 4 and 1. So in a way, they're still seeing 5 and 5, but they were taking it apart a little bit differently, right? And they didn't even talk about putting them together. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And then here we have 1 plus 4 is 5. This is an illustration of the peanut butter jelly rule. The order doesn't matter when you're adding. 4 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 4. Very high level thinking, right? Came out of nowhere. Came out of dots. What do you see? Well, when I look at this, I might see a 3 and a 2. And then here, I might see a 2 and a 3. This is very similar to the 4 and 1, right? In that I'm adding 3 plus 2 is 5, or I'm adding 2 plus 3 equals 5. But it's not exactly the same, and both voices should be heard. What do you see when you look at these dots? Tomorrow, we're going to take a look at a bunch of dots together, and we're going to hear your voices. So I hope you took a second and thought about what you see when you see these dots. Thanks now.